Welcome to Look Smarter Than You Are with Oracle Essbase Calc scripts. This video covers the member set function at with attr, just short for with attribute. With attribute looks at the outline to figure out which members meet a specific condition. At with attr, with attribute, is a member set function, so it essentially returns a list of members. At with attribute is going to give you back a list of members that matches the expression, the condition that you're providing. It has three parts. Attribute dim, easy one. Name of an attribute dimension, like ounces or package type. Operator, still pretty simple. It's some sort of Boolean comparison. Greater than, less than, greater than, equal to. Little bits of trickiness. If you want to test for equality, use a double equals. If you want to test for not equal to, you can either say less than, greater than, or you can do it the cool way, exclamation mark equals. In is a tricky little operator. I'm going to explain that one in a second. For value, it has to be something that it makes sense to compare. So say you have an attribute dimension made of numeric values like 12, 16, 20, and 32. Value, probably going to be a number. If the attribute dimension is text, like package type, then the value would be something like bottle or can. For date type attribute dimensions, you do have to use the at2date function, T-O-D-A-T-E function, in the value to convert your text screen to a date value. And then for Boolean attribute dimensions, value needs to be 1 if it's true or yes, or a 0 if it's false or no. In our example here, product is our base dimension. I'm only showing the children of product 100, which is colas for now. So notice that 110 and 120 come in 12-ounce sizes, take that metric system, and 100-30 comes in 16 ounces only. So if I say at with attr ounces greater than 12, well, the only one in our diagram here is 16, it's going to return that product, 100-30. If I say less than 16, well, that would include 12, so it's going to give you back both 110 and 120. You might very well use this inside of a fix statement. So in my example here, fix on with attribute where the ounces are less than 16, set marketing equal to 150. So this is going to return 110, 120, and for both of those products, it's going to set marketing equal to 50. Here's how the in function works. In's a confusing operator. Here's a whole example all about it. Now, notice this is not the full market hierarchy, nor is it the full population hierarchy. I expanded just east for product and then small and medium for population. Payroll is 50 in this fix for Massachusetts, Florida, any markets under West, South, or Central that have populations from more than 6 million on up to 18 million. So notice down there where it says population, because I'm saying in medium, it's anything in that entire range under medium. So in our specific example here, we're going to set payroll to 50 just for Massachusetts and Florida, because those are the only ones that fall into that range. Now, if I instead said something like in small, the return markets would be like Connecticut or New Hampshire.